I mean, it's just corny, but I said now that you understand how to read a candlestick, you gotta learn how you need to learn how to read two candlesticks and how to read candlesticks in succession. So, candlesticks, like again, let's just say 1 minute. This is a 1 minute time frame. So a candlestick will open and then close, and then the next candlestick, on most cases, will open where the previous one closed. Because remember, like this closes, so it's 7:58. 1 minute candle closes at 7:58. This opens right here at 7:59. Not much, price changes don't happen that fast. So most of the time they should occur and like move in succession. So it'll open, close, open, close. So the next candle will always open at like where the previous candle closed. And then, that just allows you to read them in succession because they move from left to right. So, this is like 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, I made these myself, so don't come for me, but I think they look all right. And then I kind of give you an example of the different successions. So you got candle like 1 minute time frame, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then open here, close here, that's 9, and then close here, open here, close here again, that's 10. I said 10 minutes, but let's say 10 minute 10. So I said that I said it was like 1 minute, but in the diagram, let's go with the example here. Let's say each candle represents one whole trading day. That means by the end of that 10-day period, price action declined, but within that 10-day period, price action went up before going down. And that's like the range of that 10-day period or that 10-minute period, whatever. Um, and that's the basis of a candlestick and reading a candlestick like in itself. There's implications on supply and demand and how like it works within the candlesticks, but that's how you just read a candlestick and you can tell like what happened. Like okay, price went up here, and this is what happened in the time frame. So let's actually look at it on a real chart. Like I have Tesla right here on the daily chart, and this is a weekly chart. 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute. So like that's what I mean. Like you could see these at any different time frame. So this is the daily. So this was February 15th. We opened, give or take, $189.20. We closed at 235. And then again, like right after we opened pretty close to where we closed on the previous candle. So we opened at 199.9. No, my bad. We opened up higher and then it closed lower. And you'll see like on the daily time frame, it's not exact, but let's just jump down to like the 1 minute. See like that what I had showed you, or this is the 3 minute. This is 1 minute. Yeah, what I had showed you like open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. So they always open real close to each other, and close like, And then the wicks, that's the total range of the time frame. And the body, that's just the space between the open and close. So, like, let's look at this candle right here for an example. It opened at 199.64, closed at 199.5. So, opened at a higher price, closed at a lower price. But when we opened, look, we have this wick right here. And remember I told you the wick represents the total range of the time frame. So it opened, it went up higher, and then traded on or went down lower, came back up again, and closed up here. This one, same thing, but it closed like pretty much right next to where it opened. And all these have different supply and demand meanings and implications, and we're going to go over that in like just a second.